about you, but like sets, I'm all for. Like the top matches the bottom matches the top. Should be my latest order, which it's not the sexiest of things, I'll tell y'all that. New Amazon finds. I am doing a little Amazon unboxing with you today. Actually, one of the pieces I already opened, but I'm gonna still share them with you today. I was just like really excited for this items. As always, all the items that I'm gonna be sharing with you today will be linked down in the description, and you can also find it on the first pinned comment. Be sure to hit that read more section to expand it, especially in the description. It's only going to show you like the first like 2 lines. You have to like hit the more button, and then you'll be able to see all the links on there, as well as sizing information for me pre-pregnancy. Okay, so this is pre-pregnancy, and of course some of these items that I got are actually I ordered in like my pre-pregnancy size, so that way I have something to wear after this baby is born. We only got 2 months left, so it won't be long now. Also wanted to remind you, Amazon Prime Day is coming up July 8th through the 11th. I will be going live on Amazon Live as well. I will be sharing some Prime early deals on July 7th, and then I will be sharing some of my top Amazon Prime Day deals on July 8th. So if you don't want to miss it, make sure that you're following me on my Amazon storefront. I will link my Amazon storefront down for you. Also, if you go to Amazon.com, you will see like where the little menu is, there is a section that says live streams. If you're following me on Amazon, you will be able to see like upcoming creator live streams, and you will see my upcoming live stream there. You can also hit the little notification bell, so it'll actually remind you whenever I am about to go live. So let's go ahead and get started with some of these items. I have a lot of fashion items, so let's go ahead and get started with the first item. Honestly, I've been like in a big conundrum, especially when ordering stuff on Amazon that is like fashion related, just because like again, like I need clothes to wear now, but I'm also thinking long run, and I don't want to get like obviously maternity clothes, but I also don't want to get something that's like super big where it just won't look right after I hopefully lose this baby weight. So I got this one. What size did I get? I actually did get this one in a large. I'm assuming that I got this because I was hoping to wear it right now, but it is this little 2-piece set. The material very nice. So this is from the brand Glam Maker, and it's like a little tracksuit. So you have like the polo style top with the little V-neck. It also has the short sleeves, would make it ideal right now for the summer when it's a little bit warmer. And then you do have like these little track pants as well. It looks like the pants are more of a like straight wide leg. I think these will look really cute with some tennis shoes. Looks like the back is also elasticized, so it gives you some extra room, and then you do have a functional drawstring right here, but I got it here in the black. Comes in a ton of other colors as well. Again, I got it in the large because I am trying to obviously fit in it right now so that I have somewhere to go. It's available from size small all the way to extra large. I am like kind of looking forward, not looking forward, but to like planning ahead to fall, since I know like the Nordstrom anniversary sale is happening soon. I am kind of actually bummed that like I don't really fit in a lot of the clothes that is like things that I'm like gravitating towards, especially in the Nordstrom sale. I know last year I did a video where I actually went and shopped in store and showed like how the pieces fit, and I really wanted to do that this go around. But again, I just don't feel like right now I'm gonna do the clothes justice. It's just not gonna fit correctly. So if anything, I'd probably be more focused on like beauty and shoes if I do decide to cover the sale. I'm still like kind of on the fence. July is just really busy. There's just so many sales to cover. We have Amazon Prime Day, there's Walmart deals, there's also the Nordstrom anniversary sale, and then there's also Target Circle Week. And a lot of those, the sales are like overlapping each other, or they're happening during like the same few days, and so it's just a lot. I'm at the point where I just like don't have the bandwidth for this, like aside from like finding the motivation and like the energy to film and go to these places and look at the sales and all of that, and then obviously like juggling the mom guilt of like having my kids here for the summer and not really being able to do much because of course I'm focusing on work. It's just a lot. So I will probably be focused on 1 or 2 sales. Definitely Amazon Prime Day I will be focusing on, but I still haven't decided exactly like what other sale to focus on. So I do have a poll going on the communities tab if you want to help me out there and see like what is something that you are interested in, like learning about like what's on sale or deals. So, okay, so this is from Glam Maker and it's a little romper. I also got this one in a large. So it looks like I got a lot of these like in not my usual size, but something to hopefully fit in right now. A romper is going to be really hard to kind of, because usually like the cinched waist is like right where my belly button is, which is like the biggest part of my body right now. So we'll probably try to fit this like underneath. I don't know. I feel like this will be a really great like postpartum item because it's still going to be hot and obviously I'm still going to be packing on some pounds. So, but this one's really cute. It's just striped and it does have the functional drawstring right here. So you could definitely adjust it to your waist. There's a button here in the back. Sleeveless, shorts. Does it have pockets? It does have pockets, which I love. I love anything with pockets, but really nice material. Like this is definitely not something that would seem like it's see-through, but it's just really, really cute and casual. So I got it here in this like coffee and ivory striped color, but it does come in different colors as well. You can also get it from size small to extra large. Okay, moving on, I've been looking for like a brown tote because I've noticed a lot of the times I'm always carrying the same Target tote, which is black. I have it in ivory too, but the ivory is kind of dingy and I need to get it clean. So I've been really just using my black tote, but I really needed something to go with like my browns and my tan shoes. But I got this little purse and I thought it was so cute and it's kind of a little bit like luxury inspired. If you missed my last video, I shared a ton of shoes that were like Amazon looks for less and they are like such good shoes. I absolutely love them. I've been wearing them nonstop. That's the one good thing about pregnancy is usually your feet don't get any bigger. Actually, my feet did grow with my previous 2 pregnancies. I'm trying to be careful because I cannot afford these feet to get any bigger. So before I had kids, my shoe size was a 9. I am now a 10. So I feel like with each kid, my shoe size expanded half a size. So I'm trying to do whatever I can to keep my shoe size a 10 and not go up to a 10.5. But I got this purse because I thought it was so cute. It is like this pleather material, so it'd be great because it is waterproof and it just says tote bag here. But I just thought that this one was cute and it does come in different colors. But again, I was looking for something that is more like a brown tan. It has 2 handles. It has a little top handle and then it also has this that you can put on your shoulder, but I thought this one was so cute. There was also a black one, but again, I was like trying to be very mindful. I said, no, you're going for a brown or a tan, something in that color scheme. It does have a pocket here on the inside and then a little insert so you can put your phone or wallet for easy access. And there is also a little clasp to make sure that you know everything stays inside. But this will really look cute, obviously, whenever it's filled. Right now it's kind of flat, but I just thought that this one was super, super cute. I have another item from Glam Maker. Looks like it's another little tracksuit. How about you, but like sets, I'm all for like the top matches the bottom matches the top. You can mix and match. It's just like, there's just so many pluses. Okay, so this one looks like it's a little polo top, but this one is sleeveless, unlike the first one that I shared. And I really like this color. It looks like more like taupey tan color. I got it in a size large, so a great postpartum outfit for me. But it just has like the sleeveless top, and then I think these are shorts. Yes, so these are similar to the first one that I shared, but this is the shorts version. So again, it does have the elasticized waistband in the back and the functional drawstring. It also does have the pockets and it's just like a really nice material. I don't know if y'all saw the video where I shared the it was actually, I'm wearing the shorts of it right now, but it's from Target and there was like the set that I got, like the sweatshirt and the shorts set, and it's that type of material. So if in case you have that in your closet, that is basically like the material that I would say this is it. Also, if you've ever tried any of the scuba knit line from Walmart, I know I shared like a huge like scuba knit haul like months ago, but if you've ever felt that in real life, like that is kind of like what the material is here. It's like fresh, but yet like still thick and luxe feeling. I'm actually really excited to wear this summer. Okay, I have another item from Glam Maker. So this one is a shirt because again, as I mentioned, I'm trying to kind of stay prepared for the cooler weather. So I got this little like oversized shirt. I got in this really pretty blue. So it's just a crew neck. I got it in a size large here. It's just like a long sleeve shirt, but I really like the way that this looked online. It's just kind of slouchy and casual and just looks very, very comfortable. You can probably wear this with like some biker shorts because it's still warm, and then later on pair it with some leggings or even with some jeans when we start to get into the cooler months. But I really liked this light blue. I think it's so pretty. The stripes come in different colors, but there is also a solid option if that is more your jam. I think there's one that I saw that was just like all black. There's one that is kind of like a taupey ivory color, so it's a little bit lighter. So if you're not into the stripes, you could definitely go for the more solid colors. You can get this one from small to XL. It's really funny because, again, like I'm still a fashion girly, so I still love to look at the fashion on Amazon. But again, I kind of like start to find things that will still fit me right now. It doesn't matter like how much weight I gain or anything. So I actually found this necklace. If I can open the box. I wanted something that was like a little bit like summer inspired. Is there two? Oh, I guess it's a layered necklace. Okay, see, I don't even know what I bought. So it looks like it's a layered necklace. This one is so cute. The chain, and then that is the little necklace with the little seashell, which I think is so adorable. Okay, so this is more like a chain. It has like the little gold balls, but super cute. And then you can just layer that with the seashell, and that will look super adorable for the summer. Okay, this next one is a new brand for me. It's Boss Stanton, and it's a little baguette bag. Okay, and then what I really liked about this one is that it had a little charm. Okay, there it is. So the little charm that comes with it, and it's like a little baseball. So if you are a baseball mom or grandma, I think you'll really like this because it has like this little charm that comes with it. It has a little glove, it has the bat, and then also this little baseball bat. I thought this was so adorable. And it's just like a very unique bag. It's different than most I've seen. So a little baguette bag that you can just put over your shoulder. So it's not super big, so it's not gonna be like a big old tote. But again, if you're just gonna be grabbing like a weekend game, I think you'll really like this. And there is a pocket on the inside as well as a zipper. So really, really good size for a bag. I think you can also get this like in a red. There's also a black. I just got it here in a brown because, again, I try to find things that will like last me with like multiple outfits. More bang for your buck, if you know what I mean. Really adorable. I'm just loving these little charms. I don't know if y'all are into the charms. The Labubus is where I draw the line. Like at that point, I'm not gonna be spending $50 like on a charm, but I have found some really cute like bag charms if you kind of want to spruce up and like make your purses your own. Okay, next up I have this little ring, which I have had my eye on for a while. So it's this little stackable ring. So it comes with 3 rings in one, but I really like it because I just feel like it's so pretty. If you can see that, let's see, hopefully it's like focusing. But I just think it's so pretty and elegant. It has the gold in the middle and bands on the ends. Actually, I got this one pretty big, but it's just because I have like big knuckles. So I have to get usually like the largest size. So I think I got a size 10, but it actually fits on my index finger. But I just think it's so pretty and just like kind of still elegant, but just looks a little bit different. So again, I like dainty rings. If you stack 3 dainty rings, then you can get that statement ring look. I believe I know exactly what this is. Should be my latest order, which it's not the sexiest of things, I'll tell y'all that, but it's very much needed. So I actually, this past weekend, I was like very active this weekend, and it turns out like I was feeling very faint and just kind of weak. Turns out I had low blood pressure, and so that's why I was feeling like that weakness. I would also see stars like when I would get up really fast, or sometimes I'd just be in the shower and I would just like see like little silver stars everywhere. I had experienced that a long time ago when I was in my early teens, and it was because I was anemic and It must have been low blood pressure, but it would get so bad where I would like stand up, and if I got up too fast, like I would almost black out. I remember one time I ran into the wall because I was walking, I was fine, and then it's like, it just like black out, boom, into the wall. So anyways, but I didn't think that I was anemic anymore after so many years. But turns out after doing a bunch of blood tests for this pregnancy, my doctor said I am anemic. And then I'm assuming that because, you know, with third trimester, I'm not a doctor, so don't take my advice. This is what my research and my doctor has said. It's like usually with your blood vessels, you start to expand with the volume of blood. And so that will sometimes cause that low blood pressure. So I just have to basically take it easy. One of the things though that I did end up getting after doing my own research is compression socks. So I came across these compression socks. It's gonna get real sexy here, y'all. I tried to make them a little bit fun because some that I found on Amazon were just like black and it just didn't look cute. So I got these right here that are a little bit colorful. I thought that they looked cute. So yeah, there was only 2 sizes though, so I'm hoping I got the right size. There was like a small, medium, and then I think it was large, extra large. So I was like, I don't know what to get. I would assume I'd be better off with the smaller size because they are compression. You don't want them, I guess, too loose. But I just thought that these colors were cute. Everybody's been telling me about compression socks, especially for pregnancy, for decreasing like varicose veins. I went ahead and got these because I know that eventually, especially with this heat, I'm gonna start swelling up. So this one actually comes in a 3-pack. So I have this really cute, I just really like the colors. I thought they were super cute. These would also be really good for traveling. I've always heard about, you know, compression socks whenever you're traveling because of the elevation. So I got these, but I just thought that these were so cute. So we'll see if they work. And then I had to replenish my e.l.f. Holy Hydration Cleansing Balm. Again, this is probably like the 4th time I have gotten this. I probably should just add it to subscription so that it just comes every single month, but I have yet to do that. But I just went ahead and restocked on this one because it is that good and it's very inexpensive. And I've told y'all a bajillion times about how you don't need to spend a lot of money on cleansing balms because you're just washing it down the drain. As long as it does a really good job at melting your makeup, which this one does, then I think you're good. So, I mean, yes, I love LMS. I don't love spending $50 for it. So I would just spend less than $15 for this little tub of cleansing balm from e.l.f. e.l.f. does a really good job of, I don't want to say the word, but like very similar to more higher end brands. Definitely try this if you haven't already. Well, those are my latest Amazon finds. I really hope you enjoyed this little unboxing. This is actually the first time I've done an unboxing. So let me know your thoughts or let me know which item was your favorite. Also, go ahead and leave me this emoji if you stuck it out with me all the way to the end. I always love to know who's still here whenever I'm doing my little outro. But anyways, just another reminder, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you'll be notified of any upcoming videos. And also don't forget about July 8th through the 11th is Amazon Prime Day. We'll be sharing deals. Also stay tuned for a video. I'm going to be sharing some of my like bestsellers from last year, what to look for this year. So that'll be coming down later this week. I hope y'all have a wonderful day and we'll chat soon. Bye.